14 ounces of coconut, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Gonna give that a quick mix there. 3 egg whites, half teaspoon salt. I need peaks. Okay, these egg whites, we're gonna fold this in. Okay. There we go. It's supposed to be parchment paper, but we're going to use aluminum foil because that's what I got. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. This is some non-stick foil, so we'll see how this goes. These should not spread out much, so you don't have to space them. $325 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. There we go. Coconut macaroons. Let them cool off a little bit. And there you go. Enjoy.